Most firms shut down over Christmas. We don't. SEBI Plus Partners is open right throughout Christmas and New Year because businesses don't stop just because it's festive season. It's actually a busy time for the year. The 8-year shutdown is doors from 24th of December midday until 2nd of January 2026. But listen carefully. Audits do not pause. Inquiries do not pause. Debt collection clocks keep tickling. Your deadlines are still live. We are reinventing accounting, business, and tax advisory services. We stay open because you are open. Directors, business owners, founders, families, if the 8-year letter lands during the holidays, we are here. 24/7, real humans, real advice, real action. SEBI Plus Partners, your tax surgeons. When everyone else is closed, we are open.